Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to demonstrate how to wear gloves in a sterile way. First, wash your hands properly, then sanitize your hands. After sanitizing your hands, open the gloves and take out the gloves. Now unfold all the parts of. Now you have to know that while wearing gloves, we have to touch only this part of the gloves. We should not touch anyhow this part of the gloves. If you are a right-handed person, try to wear gloves in the right hand first, then wear gloves in the non-dominant hand. Now we are going to wear gloves first in right hand. So we will touch only this part of the gloves. We will not touch anyhow this part of the gloves. Now first of all, try to insert your thumb properly, then stretch the gloves. Rotate your hand, fingers in the anti-clockwise direction and insert all your fingers. If you have noticed, then I haven't touched any part of the gloves except this part of the gloves. So I am totally sterile in my right hand. Now while wearing the left hand, we have to know that we cannot touch this part of the gloves now. So as we are sterile, we will try to insert two fingers inside the gloves and again follow the same method, but we have to be sure that we cannot touch this part of the gloves with your left hand and this part of the gloves with the right hand. Again do the same method, insert your left thumb fully, then rotate your fingers in anti-clockwise direction. Now I have intentionally wear the gloves in the wrong way. This is only to educate that if in default you are wearing the gloves in the wrong way, no need to panic. Now we are sterile, I am sterile totally. Now with this finger I can wear gloves properly. Now we are done with the wearing gloves in a sterile way. Now dispose the paper properly in the proper place. One more thing to add, we are always concerned about wearing the gloves in a sterile way, but we are very much less bothered about how to remove gloves properly. Very few people are concerned about this. We should also be careful while taking out the gloves. Now, while taking out the gloves, first remove your gloves of the right hand and try to wrap it in the left hand. Now remove your gloves of the left hand in this way. Now discard it in the proper place.